Logitech G29, not just a wheel, but your ticket to racing glory. Feel every bump, drift, and turn like you're on a real track. Compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC. Get your adrenaline fix. Experience flawless steering with smooth, quiet, helical gearing. That's right, enjoy a hand-stitched leather cover for that luxe feel. Pressure-sensitive brake pedals give you control just like a real car. Adjustable pedal faces allow for even finer tuning on your race day. Turn that wheel 2.5 times for epic wide turns. Feel like you're an F1 driver. Hands over hands, baby. This is the real deal for serious racing fans. Level up with driving force accessories for a complete setup. Includes rig mounts and shifters for that pro-level experience. Your racing simulation is about to hit a new high. Made from 52% certified post-consumer recycled plastic. Customize wheel sensitivity and force feedback with G-Hub software. This bad boy gives you control right at your fingertips.